So we have a new AI platform called Pixverse, and this is a text to video and image to video platform. So we're just going to go over to pixverse.ai and we're going to sign up. We could go as usual. Once you've signed up, you get welcomed by these amazing generations. You can see the images are like really good. They have like really good quality, and the motion in these images are amazing. You can see how this car moves. You can see how her wings just move as she turns. The images are insane. You can see how the water flows with the canoes and whatever, and this water flows in the right direction. There's no morphing. This girl, you can see the blink in her eye. It's like super realistic. And this guy walking down the stairs. It's just amazing how far AI has come. These generations are really amazing. Look at how her brows move with as she twinkles her eyes, she winks her eyes. Look at how her brows move with her eyes. It's like super realistic. It looks like it was actually an actual animation. See how the car prints. These videos are like really good. This weird Darth Vader kind of character. You can see how she turns her head left to right, right to left. See, blinking her eyes. They're really good with blinking. And this platform treats hair like really well. It treats hair really well. It pays attention to hair a lot. That's something I've noticed. Here's the blink in her eye. This Billie Eilish looking girl. And look at this train. Look how consistent this train is. It is amazing. So we're just going to go over to create to generate our video. I want to use this generation, so I'll just click on retry. Once. Well, then you can select your aspect ratio, and you see the seed is just how much randomness you get from the generation. And I'm going to go over to the image to video platform now, and I'm going to just upload this image of this couple in the kitchen, and I'll type in a couple kissing. A couple in the kitchen kissing. Just to see how good the image generation, image to video is. And I'm going to use the same prompt to generate text to video. You can see it's messed up her hands. You can see this looks, this looks like really intense. This is the text to video. That's the platform generated, and it's they're getting into it like crazy. But you can see this other image that I uploaded. It kind of messed up their anatomy because I guess it couldn't understand the image. But this image that they generated is a little bit decent, but the fingers are messed up kind of. We're going to type in a Hellcat moving in a busy and wet highway with the headlights on and a lot of reflection. Wow, these two are still here getting down. They should get a room or something. This is the kitchen. I think the lady's enjoying it way more than the guy. Well, seems like a Hellcat to me a little bit. With the background, the car is just still is kind of decent. The background, at least there is not so much morphing, even if the truck kind of morphed into, I don't know. We're just going to recreate this generation and let's see what we're going to get. Oh, these two are still here getting it. They're still here getting down and shit. I think the lady's feeling it way more than the guy because of the way she's actually moving up and down. So I guess he created the exact generation. It's weird. That's weird. That's something they don't actually show you in these platforms. Most of these platforms aren't perfect. They just portray it like they're actually perfect. You can see it created the exact generation, which is consistent, and I like that because consistency is like really important when it comes to AI generation. That's something that we've been lacking. Well, that's Pixverse. You can go over and try it and see what you get. You get unlimited generations for every month. So